Hey, this is Jack with Team Borum and eXp Realty. I'm here at 3142 Brooker Creek Drive in Palm Harbor. This is a 2-2 villa. It's a sweet little unit. Let's take a look. I'm going to turn the camera around. Here to the front. You've got a one-car driveway. This is what the rest of the community looks like. One-car garage attached to another one-car garage. Over here, we've got an outdoor courtyard. And we'll step inside the one-car garage real quick. Got some storage already here. There is an automatic garage door opener. Welcome to the interior. Immediately to the right, we've got a nice updated kitchen with granite counters, soft closed drawers, and all the lowers have these pull-ins over here in this section. View to the courtyard. More counter space, more drawers, and a pantry across the way. Plenty of storage. I'm back in the video, and here is the guest bath. Tile floor, updated tile bath, and more storage. This is the front guest room. Ceiling fan, mirrored closet door, and from the kitchen, this is what it looks like. That is a stairway to the loft. We'll go up that in a bit. And here we're going to go into the owner's suite. It's got a window to the rear. Ceiling fan, crown molding, a master bedroom closet with all built-ins, everything you need already designed, hooks even. And here we have the master bath. Dual vanity, step down shower with shelf, and 2 heads. That's my office today. Laundry closet. And a rear patio. And directly over there is a preserve. Deer come out of there and come over to the property often. And from back here, this is what the main living area looks like, with a loft up there. And so, if this looks awful on camera, I'll edit it out. Nobody got sick on that. And up here we have a loft with floor mounted plugs. So nice little home office. A little platform there, and the view from upstairs to my office.